Morning! It's a beautiful morning this morning. I'm super excited to be headed to some yard sales this morning. We've got several yard sales to go to. We're going to hit up this first one that's a little bit harder to find, I think. Hopefully they have signs, but if not, we're going to find it anyway. I got my daughter with me this morning. I love when she goes with me. We have a lot of fun together. We're pretty much the same person, just in two different forms. She got my personality. She's a lot of fun to be around. But now we're going to go hit these yard sales and see what treasures we can find, and it's going to be a blast. Hello and welcome to the Thrifty Pickers. My name is Trent. This is my wife, Brooke. We have two amazing kiddos named Tori and Ty, and we're the Hells. We go from yard sales to thrift stores and everything in between. So tag along with us on this epic adventure and see just how we turn everyday yard sales into money in the bank. You too can be a thrifty picker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get this party started right now. Alright, let's do this. Y'all doing alright? That's good. This yard sale had quite a bit of stuff, not just clothes. We ended up buying some items for our house too. That vest right there was worth $89.95. And I paid $2. I paid $2 for all these clothes. $2. I ended up keeping them Nike shirts because they fit me good and they look good. There's a plug for my truck. If you ever need a wire and lights, something like that, sure is handy. The straps for my truck too. And lighters, because we can't ever find the lighter for a candle here at the house. Okay, we got.
This is not y'all's, is it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. That was in the.
Yeah, free box. Free box. Free box. And then we got this stuff. Then.
Oh, that's enough name. I'm not, that's not a sorry.
Okay. 50 cents. Will you do $2 on these?
As soon as they are, yeah. Start off that one.
Right.
Do you want to keep the hanging? Yes. $9.25.
Yeah, change for 20. Now the first yard sale was pretty good. We got some good clothes at that yard sale. We got a few little things there for our house that we needed. And now on to the next one. Right. Number 2. Gotta be safe. I checked out the stereo and it worked, but it didn't play music. It turned on. How much y'all asking on this?
You can have it.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Did y'all say y'all had another stereo?
Yeah, it's in here. And there's some furniture and pictures and everything like that.
Oh, okay. It's a beautiful morning.
went to discuss it on my place anyway. Is that over there?
Okay. The jeans? $2 each? Okay. Okay. Let me think about it.
Okay. And she'll probably come down on me.
If your yarn at all, you're not breaking it up. You bet it should be clear, totally clear.
Will you do $5 for all of them?
I'm sure she will. Just take me out there
And ask her about it?
and she'll How many is 5? I mean,
There's
how many is
5 there.
Okay, yeah, I feel sure she will.
All right. Awesome.
You don't have room.
Will you do 5 for the pants? There's 5 pair there.
And then mark $2? Yeah, I'll do them, yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. That, I don't even think they'll fit me, but you know, who knows? No, I'm just picking. I'm just playing.
I'm always cracking jokes. 50 cents a piece for these belt buckles. Already sold one. It's just a matter of time before I sell the other one.
NRA, you know what that stands for? National Rodeo Association.
I was a member at one time. I just didn't renew my membership. I still believe in what they do. So you're videoing me right this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
have a problem with that.
I have my own YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
Yes, ma'am. We're called the Thrifty Pickers with a Z.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, we just left the yard sale. We are fixing to head to another yard sale. Say it was a pretty good yard sale. Anyway, we're gonna head to this next one, and from what I understand, it's a multi-family yard sale, so hopefully it's fairly big and we get a lot of choices. So anyway, come on, let's go to this next one.
Right, number 3.
This yard sale had a ton of clothes. They had a lot of other stuff, but they had a ton of clothes. Looks like a brand new pair of Nikes. It's nice.
That's perfect. Oh, you like those, do you? Get them. You like them? What is this? It's $25. Is it worth $25?
She told me that them Ray-Bans were 25 cents. And I thought they were 25 cents, but they were actually $25. And I think she knew that already. So when we get up to pay, I'm expecting it to be 25 cents, not $25. And I almost passed out. I should have bought those Nikes. They look like they were brand new.
Yeah, 5.5. Maybe I ought to pick them up. I wonder how much I want for them. I'm gonna try to get these shoes. I'm gonna try to. So far we lucked out in no rain, but now the sun's getting us.
Oh.
You can't be the one or the other, huh? Will y'all do 3 on these?
Yep.
Okay. And then we got those and this chicken wire deal. She has been wanting one of these.
I bought a thing so he could make me one.
So and then 3 for this. So I'm going to take away
Okay.
this $7.
Matter of fact, I sent him a picture. I was like, hey, can you make this for me? And within that day, he got $30.
How much?
30.
I
I just threw the 2.
Oh, it was $25.
Jewelry.
Oh, okay, I about passed out. I thought it was 25 cents. I was like, scared me. But as long as you know,
Yeah. I'm the boss.
Yeah, you pay me back, boss. All right. If it was 30, you gave me too much. I gave you 40.
Oh, I did. Thank you for being honest. I don't know what I was thinking.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I think we're fixing to wrap this one up. It's been a good day of yard selling. We found some good finds. Overall, the yard sales that we went to, they didn't have a whole lot of stuff, but they did have some pretty good stuff for decent prices. So whenever you can find stuff at a decent price that you can sell and make profit off of, that's whenever you want to pick it up. If you're going to find stuff that's, you know, a little bit higher priced that you're not going to make that much profit on, sometimes I just skip it and I just don't do it. But anyway, until next time, guys, it's been fun. We appreciate you. Stay honest and keep picking.